Gary's on the middle one. Here's our green Nickelodeon slime. SpongeBob is made from Nickelodeon. Cool, we got Patrick. And I remember from the last video that we put it into Patrick and he throws up slime. So let's do it. Let's get some of the really gooey slime. It's so goopy. Ew, it looks like he's farting. And he's throwing up. That's our first one. We got Squidward, but it looks like his head came off. See, his head is attached. It's not even stuck to him. He looks weird. We got some of the ooey gooey slime. Now put it on his head. Hey, Papa. And let's see him have hair. They look weird. I have hair. Now let's move on to our last one. We got the golden SpongeBob! Oh, Papa! I can't believe that we got him! I'm so excited! Alright guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button. He looks so cool. I never ever saw SpongeBob this golden. This is the regular SpongeBob compared to the golden one. Let's put his body in and see what he does. I forgot what he does last time. I hope you enjoy my SpongeBob Slimeez video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.